The word happenstance loosely translates to the Urdu word ittifaq. So happenstance is किसी चीज का इत्तेफाक से हो जाना. Let's have a clipping here.
We heard you read the letter from Howard's father.
I did.
What did it say?
Yeah, I can't tell you that. I'm bound by closet organizer-organizee confidentiality.
Sheldon, that's not a real thing.
But neither is the rule that you have to hold your girlfriend's hand at the movies. You know, that doesn't stop you from pawing at me like you're a bear and I'm a trash can full of sweets.
Why do you even care? Just tell us what it says.
Control over the information contained in that letter belongs to Howard. By happenstance, I came to know it. That doesn't give me the right to disseminate it freely.
Come on, look, the letter was found in Bernadette's closet. Doesn't that count for something?
Are you pointing out that California is a community property state? And since Howard and Bernadette are married, the intellectual property contained in that letter is jointly owned by the two spouses?
Yeah, obviously.
Control over the information contained in that letter belongs to Howard. By happenstance, I came to know it. That does not give me the right to disseminate it freely. By happenstance, by chance, ittifaq se. Another word in the clipping was the word disseminate. To disseminate is to spread something. So किसी चीज को फैलाना is to disseminate. We use the word disseminate specifically with ideas, knowledge, information, or even rumors and opinions. So what was the usage here? Sheldon says that by happenstance उसने letter पढ़ ली. That does not give him the right to disseminate the information. So इत्तेफाक से उसने letter पढ़ ली. That does not mean कि उसको right मिल गया है उस information को disseminate करने का, उस information को फैलाने का. To disseminate is to spread. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.